Hi, David here of Lancaster Honda. Here we've got Honda Civic 1.5 GPF Sport Plus. It's quite a rare model, you don't see many of them. So what I'll be doing in this video is showing you some of the features it comes with, explaining a little bit about why you don't see many of them, and just going through the condition of the vehicle itself. So I usually start the driver's rear wheel, just show you the alloy design. So the tyres have just been changed, if you're wondering why they look a little bit funny there, and there might be a few white marks around them. They're on brand new tyres all around. So then down the side of the vehicle as well, you can see there's no issues with that at all. And just while we're here as well, you do have tinted windows on the back and a little shark fin style DAB radio. So then you've also got keyless entry on this model as well. So if you just pop your hand behind there, well, helps if it was locked first, but I've just locked it there. So if you want to lock it, you just press the button there. If you want to unlock it, you just pop your hand behind the handle and it clicks open. So while we're at it as well, you've also got blind spot monitoring on this model. Moving on to the front wheel there. And then around the front as well, you do have parking sensors. So there's one at each extremity there, a couple in the middle, and then another one there. As you can see, it looks quite nice with the black being offset with the white there. Moving on to the third alloy. As you can see, there's also a keyless entry on the passenger side as well, so it has just decided to lock itself. So if I pop it behind again, it opens from the passenger side too. And then on to the last alloy, and then we'll just move on to the boot. So just before we open it up, on the Sport Plus one, you do get this smaller black spoiler here. Nice little middle ground between the standard one and the Type R. So lets you know you're in something a little bit more powerful, as it is the 1.5 turbo. Also on the rear, you get parking sensors along the back there. There's one just in the centre there, and you've got two along the middle, then another one in the centre over there. You've also got reverse camera as well, and then you've got the twin exit exhaust down there, which lets you know you're in a 1.5. So I'll just have to open it up again because it has locked itself again. Just show you the boot space. So as you can see, plenty of space in there. Is due a little bit more of a hoover out and a valet, but that will be getting done. So you get a sliding cover, so you don't have to take it out of the vehicle to remove it, just slides out the way. And the seats do fold near enough flat, so what I'll do is I'll just put that one down. As you can see there, not much of a lip whatsoever. So I'll just move around now. So just into the back, just fold that one up. So as you can see, plenty of space in here. More than enough leg room, considering that one's near enough all the way back. You could still get somebody comfortably in there. And you got a centre armrest too with two cup holders. So if you're only carting two people around in the back, there'll be plenty of comfort there. And now we'll move into the driver's side. And just as we do, you do get electric folding wing mirrors and electric windows all around. And as I said, it is keyless entry as well. So you don't need to put it in to start the engine. You just got to have it in range. Foot on the clutch, press the button, and it jumps into life. And as you can see, mileage there, 43,213. And it does get quite good miles per gallon, this one. What I'll do is I'll just bring that one up. So considering it's a 1.5, bit sporty, it's still getting 45, 46 miles per gallon comfortably there. Let's go back onto the turbo gauge. So onto the wheel anyway, you get all your cruise control functions on this side. You've got all your menu controls and your volume switches there. And that one there just skips through those menus I was just showing you up there. Then you've got automatic lights behind, automatic wipers on that side. Then just down there, you've got your stability control, you've got your parking sensors, headlight washers, collision mitigation, and your lane departure warning. So it's sort of more of a safety panel down there. And then over on the centre console, as you can see, you do get sat nav. So just tap map and it shows where we are. So White London Industrial Estate, that's our location. You've also got multiple sources for your music. So you've got FM, DAB, multiple radio bandwidths really. You've got USB, which also includes your iPod there and your smartphone. And you've got Bluetooth, audio apps, and HDMI. So I'll show you where they're all located in a moment. And then, as I mentioned before, you also get reverse camera. So if you go into reverse, camera comes along. You've got three settings, so that's the wide angle view, that's the standard view, and then you've got a top down view there. And you've also got this little button here, and what that does is if you turn that on, and you're going into reverse, and say you're in a supermarket, it'll tell you if somebody's coming along behind you if you're pulling out in reverse. Nice and handy little feature there. So then you've also got dual zone climate control, so if you want them separately, you just turn synchronise off, and if you look at the very top of that screen there, they're just completely on their own then. And if you want them back together again, you press sync and they both go to the driver's setting. So I'll just turn that off for now. And just underneath there, another bit you only get on this particular model is heated seats, which you don't normally get on a 1.5. Now I'll just put my foot on the clutch so I can move that out of the way. And then you've just got the wireless charging pad there. Then also got 6-speed manual gearbox and adaptive dampers. So if you want a bit more of a sporty feel, you just press that one, and up there turns dynamic mode on. And again, press it again and it goes off. You've also got your economy mode, auto stop start, and then you've got your brake hold function with your electronic parking brake. And then just behind that, you've got cup holders. So there is two, so you can get it to do it with one hand. That one comes out and just slots in behind it there. And then behind that you've got a bit more storage, and you've also got a USB socket just there. So just pop that back. Give you a zoom out, see the space you've got, and also does slide forward there. So if you do want to sit a little bit further forward and you don't want your arm falling in the hole there, just push it forward and you're all good. So the whole book pack's in the glove box, as you can see there. Service history is available and the photos I've uploaded. And what I'll do just before I end this video is just show you another feature that only comes on this version of the 1.5, which is a sunroof. So it's not usual for these videos of mine to have clear weather, but while we've got it, we'll just pop it open, prove it all works, and so you all know how the Civic sunroof actually functions. So as you can see, you can open it entirely there, or there's another feature that I quite like, if I can get it to work. There we go, you can tilt the sunroof as well. So if you want to close that again. So you've got to open it again, I believe, to do it, or I've just pressed it wrong. Either way, we'll work that one out in a second. There we go. So you can adjust it, you can stop it at multiple points. Loads of ways of going around that one. So yeah, if there's anything I've not covered in this video, or you want a little bit more information, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll see what we can do. Thanks, take care, bye.